the big man for their lovely response. Well, there's going to be a big shout for LBW there. He's on success in the race. Faisal Haq gets the lead. It's
a replay of his first spell in 23.